We're in Vancouver, British Columbia, and we're about to set sail on a 4-day cruise to Los Angeles on the Grand Princess. Take a look. So we made it onto the ship, and now we're walking the hallway. Let's go check our cabins out. Cool thing is, all we have to do is walk up to the door, and look, it's already open for us. The medallion. This is cool. So, oh, door's a little heavy, but that's a cruise ship door. All the things you need to know. Check that out before you do anything else. But look, there's the bathroom. I'll go back to it in a second, but look, as soon as you walk in. All right, you know, this is an interior cabin, and I would say not bad. Not bad, you know, 2 people would be very comfortable here. And yeah, it's nice. If you need, you can actually change the temperature in here. That's good. I get a little cooler than normal. You can see me. Bye. TV. Place to put all your stuff. A hair dryer. Look at this. Well, that didn't work. Is it? Turn it on or something? Oh, yeah, there you go. And there's a light. Or it doesn't work. Well, that's odd. I can see there's a light on. Oh, there you go. We made it work. It was. Down here, right in here, there's a fridge. So if you have any, you know, beverages, look, I put chocolate. Yeah, so this is a nice little fridge. You can, you know, if you have any extra pops or anything like that, you can actually order pops and stuff like that, and they'll have it in your cabin when you're waiting. But or you can just, as you can see here, just add to it, and you got all these. So nice. Lots more storage. Speaking of storage. Alright, look at this, guys. More storage. But not only that, you got a couple USB plugs on each one of these lights. So on both sides, you got a USB port. So that's kind of cool. But the only electricity right here, I believe. Here you go. You've got yourself some USB here and some regular power plugs. But that is about the only electricity in the room. That's okay. That's good. You can set up a nice little your laptop here, and it's a decent sized room. Let's go take a look at the bathrooms. We got the closet right here where you can put your bags. I've already came in and put my bags in. You can get into your life jackets.
Sir James, welcome aboard, sir.
Say hello.
Hello. Hi. My name is Julie.
Hi.
Cabin steward of Mr. James.
What's up?
So I'm your cabin steward, sir. I'm taking care of your cabin here.
I appreciate that.
So this is my name.
Okay.
So by the way, did you visit already your master station today?
Yes, all been taken care
So
of.
what's the safety video by the TV?
All the safety video done.
You are good to go.
Thank you very much.
All
All that gentleman is going to take care of our room while we're here. This is good. Very, very, very competent people. Very professional. I like it. The room is nice. I like it. Let's take a look at this. I know it's a small bathroom, but guess what? This is a cruise ship, so you're not expecting something big. But guess what? Not too bad. You know what? All said and done, I'm a big guy. I'm a really big guy, and this is not bad. It's roomy. I can do things. See? Bye. Yeah, this is a nice place. Got a nice sink. We're on the Grand Princess. Right? And you got your toilet and your shower. It's a little dark, but hey, you know, I can stand under that shower, which is very, very good. I like it. So this is a low power plug. So if you have a ground, you can't get that in. No ground will go into there. But maybe for shavers and stuff like that, that will work. So you do have some power here. And you got mirrors all over the place. Which one of me are you looking at? Oh, hang on a second. Something that's very interesting in this cabin. I'll shut that door up. You can see. Got a full mirror there. That's quite nice. Right? But not only that, you got some more storage. Look at that. Storage all the way up and down. So yeah, you got lots of storage. And safe. It's not the largest of safes. See? But it's still something you can put your passports in and your cash and stuff like that. So that's good. It's good to have one. That's nice. All right, what else? So all in all, a good experience so far. Mirrors all over the place. I understand the mirrors. Makes you feel a little bit bigger, but to be honest with you, it's not small. It's not large, but it is comfortable. So yeah, stick around. We got a whole bunch of different videos showing off the Grand Princess. This could be fun. Maybe see the pool, maybe get a restaurant in there. Who knows? Stay tuned and find out. Bye. 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 Bye.